Good morning and welcome to micro teaching video. My name is Teacher Janice. Today we're going to learn the topic of common and proper nouns. The grade level is first grade. The learning objective student will be able to identify common and proper nouns. But before we start, as an introduction, let's see this video about common and proper nouns.
Common and proper nouns. Let's recap. A noun is a person, place, or thing. When thinking about nouns, it's important to know the difference between a common noun and a proper noun. Common nouns name any person, place, or thing. They are general and not specific. They are not capitalized unless they come at the beginning of a sentence. For example, dog is a common noun as it's general and doesn't name a specific dog. Proper nouns, however, name something specific and should always be capitalized. For example, this is Rusty. Rusty is the name of a specific dog, so it's a proper noun, and therefore we capitalize Rusty's name. Let's have another look at an example. Here is a teacher. Teacher is a common noun because it could be any teacher. Here is Miss Drought. This is a proper noun because we know it's a specific teacher. My teacher, Miss Drought. So we give it an uppercase letter. Country is a common noun because it is a place, but does it name a specific place? No. However, if I were to say Australia, that's specific, so it's a proper noun and needs a capital letter. Boy is also a common noun. But if I were to name the boy Paul, this would be a proper noun, so we would capitalize Paul. Store is a common noun. Walmart names a specific store, so it's a proper noun. If I were to say mother, that's another common noun. What's your mother's name, or a name of a mother you know of? That would be a proper noun because you are naming the mother. Let's have one last go. Restaurant is a common noun. Can you name a specific restaurant that you've been to recently? If you name a restaurant, you need to make sure you capitalize it, as this would be a proper noun. Now it's your turn. What proper and common nouns can you think of? Maybe read through a book and see how many you can find. Can you split them up into common and proper nouns? Thank you for learning all about common and proper nouns with me.
Okay, so let's continue with our presentation and let's review what already saw on the video. A common noun is the generic name for a person, place, thing, or idea. For example, man, castle, wine, doctor, mausoleum, and crocodile. And always we have to remember that start with lowercase. Then we have the proper nouns, they give a name of a title of a person, place, or things. Like Liam, Warwick Castle, Shiraz, Dr. Jones, Taj Mahal, and Snappy. And we have to remember that always start with capital letter or uppercase. So let's go on to our interactive activity. Review the concept of common and proper nouns. Also practice few exercises. So let's press the link in order to start our activity. But first, let's review what is a noun. A noun is a word that represents a person, place, things, animal, or idea. For example, person, place, thing, or animal. We have a girl, we have a hospital, we have a pencil, and we have a cat. Then we have the two types of nouns that we are working on this unit, common noun and proper noun. A common noun is a word that can be any person, place, things, animal, or idea, like doctor, country, cookie, or dog. A proper noun is a noun that names a specific person, place, thing, animal, or idea. Proper nouns always begin with capital letter because they are named, like Dr. Fox, United States, Oreo, and Spot, the name of the dog. So let's start with first activity. Match the proper noun to the correct common noun. And we have three common nouns like book, boy, street, and the proper nouns, Main Street, Tom, and the cat in the hat. So let's find out the common noun of Main Street. Main Street, proper noun, common noun, street. Let's find out the common noun of Tom. Tom, the name of the boy. Boy is the common noun, Tom is the proper noun. The cat in the hat. Let's find out the common noun. Book. The proper noun is the cat in the hat, and book is the common noun. Let's find out if we have the correct answers. Excellent. So let's go to the other activity. So we have a gumball machine, and what we have to do, drag and drop the bubble gum pieces with the common nouns, and we have 6 words: boy, pencil, target, store, Sam, and cup. So let's search for the common nouns: boy, pencil, store, and cup. These ones are the common nouns, and Target and Sam's are proper noun. Let's find out. Good job. Let's go to the other exercise. Now we are going to put in the gumball machine the proper nouns, and we have Oreo, Dr. Fox, Girl, State, March, and Pam. So we have Oreo, the brand of a cookie, Dr. Fox, March, the months of the year, and the name of the girl, Pam. These 4 words are proper nouns, and we have girl and state that are common. So let's find out if we did correct the exercise. Good. Let's go to the other activity. So now we're gonna sort the bubblegum pieces into common or proper, and we have Florida, desk, Coke, drink, house, and Ben. Florida. It could be a common or a proper. Proper. Very good. Desk. Common or proper? Common. Very good. Coke. It is a common or proper noun? Proper is a brand. Good. Drink. It is a common or proper noun? Common. Very good. House. It is a common or a proper noun? Common. And Ben, it is a common or a proper noun? Proper. So let's find out if we did correct the exercise. Very good. Let's go to the other exercise, the last activity. In this case, we're gonna place the common nouns in the box. We have the choice that we can read the sentence or we can listen the sentence that is gonna be read by the boom card. Let's press the audio in order to listen the sentence.
Main Street Zoo has 2 giraffes and a park.
Main Street Zoo has 2 giraffes and a park. So Main Street, it is a common noun? No. Giraffe is a common noun? Yes. And park is a common noun? Yes. So let's check out if we do right the exercise. Correct. And now we are going to place the proper nouns in the box. My brother bought a Kit Kat at Target. Let's hear it again.
My brother bought a Kit Kat at Target.
Brother, it is a common noun. A proper noun? No, it's a common. Kit Kat, it is a proper noun or a common noun? It's a proper noun. Good. And Target, it is a proper noun? Yes. Good. Let's find out if we did it correct. Good. So let's move on to the last part of our lesson that is going to be the assessment. And the assessment, the instructions are drag and drop the nouns to the correct columns. Identify words as common and proper noun. In order to complete this exercise, you have to press the link. And we are going to send you to this site that calls Live Worksheet. So what you have to do, you're gonna drag and drop the words. You have Dr. Elm Street, Skittles, students, cereal, Dr. Smith, street, Toyota, car, tricks, candy, and Jesse. So you're gonna pick the word, for example, doctor. It is a common or a proper noun. Doctor is a common noun. Elm Street, it is a common or proper noun. Elm Street is a proper noun. And then you are going to continue, drag and drop the words. When you finish, press the button, write your name, and the answers go directly to the teacher. So this is the end of the micro teaching lesson. So the materials that I used for this activity was a PowerPoint, a boom card, and the live worksheet site. The goals of this activity, the main purpose is that student will be able to identify words as common and proper nouns, also review the skill of common and proper nouns. The interactive activity could be used in groups or individuals. The activity doesn't have any limit time to give accommodation for students with special needs. And in addition, the student can continue practicing through the link, and it's allowed you to keep trying answers until you get the correct answer. So I hope that you like this activity and see you soon. Bye. Have a nice day.